Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Cubot P80 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search, and now click install. Now click open. Then you can click skip introduction, and now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. Now you can try out Copilot, or you can just click start browsing. And Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.